like I took the warm-up pants off and I was ready to get in the game, and I'm ready to get deeper into the game, and I will get deeper into the game, and it's coming. Like, you know, I ain't gonna disclose too much, but it's coming. Is not what it is now. Porsche, they've always been a driver's car. They always have like this unorthodox, like aggressiveness to them. Like they're so wide, but they look so functional. I was told by millions of people, like, you buy a Porsche, you're gonna buy another one. You probably won't buy other cars after that. To be able to witness something that the average Joe just can't walk in his room and witness. It ain't just a job. It was more, there was a lot of passion, there was a lot of love put into that car. And the greatest thing for me as an artist to see is see your project cross that finish line, regardless if you're getting paid for it or not. I'm here to show you the proof that I am APAC. So I feel like as a responsibility as a creator, I decided that I think we can bring a little bit more to the table just than painting the car, painting the kit, and just shipping it down to Atlanta and you never see it again. I am showing you why I'm APAC, because at one point in time, I was not accepted and I kept going. Do not let anybody tell you that your dreams are not good enough.